Hi everyone, today I want to talk about the Crescent Kick. We had a lot of questions about how to execute properly the Crescent Kicks. Alright, this is a Crescent Kick. It's a circular motion kick that goes through and across the body. The target would be straight in front of you and you want to hit it and move it out that way. Or if you're kicking with the other leg, move it out that way. A few things. How do you start it? You start it from bringing your knee up toward your opposite shoulder. Whichever leg you're kicking, you don't want to come up straight. You want to come in. So your outer thigh and your glute right away start to get engaged. Crescent kicks works your glute and your abdominal more than all the other kicks. In and then you circle out. It's important you're coming really in and not too far out, about here, and then it comes down. You're ready to hit the center of the body, right? Once you have this motion, you extend the lower part of your leg and you make it into a kick. Once you have that circular motion with the full leg, knee slightly bent, you can add power to it, because remember, what you want to do is move it that way. That's all abdominal, moving it that way. If you do the other side, you can start it from back, and you can start it from a neutral, feeling the same line position. To go a little harder, you can start it here from the back, you're on guard, knee toward your opposite shoulder, out, circle, extend it, and kick it. Even when you extend it, your knees slightly bent, right? So out, contract. You try not to move the upper body, which is the hard part, and kick it, extending it out that way. Again, start with the knee, start with a circular motion with the knee, extend and go a little bit higher. Don't go too far out, but go far in to start the power of the kick. And the other way. Okay? I hope this helps. Thank you.